Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting the original and isolating the element you want to desaturate. Duplicate the footage layer now and pre-compose that duplicate so all edits stay contained. Once done, switch to a color or lumetri workspace so you can see hue and saturation shifts clearly. This helps you judge changes visually and with scopes. You do this because working non-destructively and with reference prevents color bleed and makes later blending far easier. Now add a simple hue/saturation or lumetri effect to the pre-comp. You now isolate the exact color to remove by using hue/saturation's color range or the hue key effect. Drag the eyedropper over the unwanted color, then widen the tolerance until the area is captured. Be cautious to avoid skin tones or nearby hues. Once selected, lower saturation towards 0 or use key output to create transparency. Make sure to feather and expand the selections slightly so edges blend into the background. This prevents visible halos. If details remain, add a secondary mask and refine the edge. Finish by replacing removed color with a clean plate or underlying layer so you don't leave holes. Match lighting with curves or levels and add subtle grain or blur to integrate textures. Once done, check the clip at full resolution and scrub through frames. If the keyed area flickers, enable temporal smoothing or frame blending, and consider roto paint on problem frames. If colors spill onto nearby objects, repeat the hue selection with a tighter range and secondary masks. This targeted refinement is what makes the result professional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.